Many believe that finding a winning product is the hardest part. But when sales explode, logistics become a nightmare. Today, we're uncovering a secret platform to automate your orders and deliveries. Before we jump into the platform, let me quickly explain what this actually is. Scale Order is a fulfillment and sourcing platform built for dropshippers and e-commerce sellers. Instead of relying on slow suppliers and juggling multiple tools, it gives you one place to manage orders, source products, and handle fulfillment. The goal is to make your store faster, easier to manage, and more scalable, and I'll show you exactly how that works. If you've ever tried dropshipping, you've probably run into the same problems. Shipping takes too long, especially with suppliers like AliExpress. Customers are waiting weeks for orders, which leads to complaints and refunds. Then, as you start getting more orders, things get harder to manage. And on top of that, most stores look the same. There's no branding, there's no uniqueness, and there's no real customer experience. That's exactly what this platform is designed to fix. It gives you faster fulfillment, better control over your audience, and the ability to actually build a proper brand. This is the main dashboard. This is where everything is managed from one place. Even though it looks quite simple, this is your control center. This is where you will manage orders, products, and fulfillment. So this section here is your order management. This is where all your customer orders appear. As soon as someone places an order on your store, it shows up here, ready to be processed. So instead of tracking everything manually, it's all organized in one place. Now, this is one of the most important parts. Sourcing. This is where you can request products directly through the platform. So instead of searching across different supplier websites, you can just submit what you're looking for here, and the platform handles finding and supplying it for you. And this is where you can customize how your product is presented. So things like packaging, branding, and overall customer experience can be managed here. So this is where you would typically request custom packaging and branding for your product. One of the biggest advantages here is the shipping and fulfillment. Instead of dealing with long delivery times, this platform focuses on fast and stable shipping, especially across Europe. And that makes a big difference. Faster delivery means happier customers, fewer complaints, and fewer refunds. It also removes the stress of managing logistics. As your orders increase, you don't need to manually handle everything. The system takes care of that for you, so scaling becomes much easier. And this is where it really separates from basic dropshipping, because this isn't just about sending product. It's about building a brand. Instead of generic packaging, you can create a full customer experience. That includes things like branded stickers or custom packaging, neatly prepared products, and even thank you cards. These small details make a big difference. They turn a basic order into something that feels professional, and that's what helps your store stand out. Because customers don't just remember the product, they remember the experience. To sum it up, Scale Order brings together reliable product sourcing, faster European shipping, and premium branding features all in one simple dashboard. It works just as well for beginners who are testing products as it does for experienced sellers who are ready to scale and build a real brand. If you're ready to outsource your logistics and take your store to the next level, click the link in the description to check out Scale Order and test the platform for yourself.